Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to obtain your Zoho Books certification in just 5 minutes. Zoho Books is a robust cloud-based accounting tool designed for diverse businesses. Getting certified can significantly improve your professional profile and software knowledge. Whether you are an entrepreneur aiming to simplify bookkeeping or a professional wanting to prove your skills, this credential is a great asset. Let's begin the process. First, navigate to Google. This is your starting point to find the necessary resources. In the search field, enter Zoho Books certification. From the results, locate the official Zoho Books professional certification link. Click the option titled Learn Zoho Books Professional Certification to access the main page. Here, you can review the training curriculum, the time required, and how the program is structured. Take a moment to understand these details so you can move forward with confidence. When you are ready to sign up, find and click the Register Now button, which is usually highlighted on the page. This will lead you to the enrollment section. You will then need to choose your training preference. Select Personal Training for a customized learning experience that allows you to master the software at your own speed. Next, click on the Prospect Customer option. This helps Zoho tailor the educational materials to your specific status. Afterward, complete the registration form by entering your personal information. Ensure all fields are accurate to prevent any processing delays. It is wise to review your data before submitting. Once registered, your learning journey begins. The program covers various modules and real-world scenarios to prepare you for the final exam and improve your daily efficiency with the tool. Engage deeply with the content, take notes, and check out extra resources like webinars or forums for better insight. While the initial setup takes only minutes, earning the certificate requires dedicated study. Once you pass, you will have official proof of your accounting expertise. This achievement strengthens your resume and helps you stand out in the job market. That concludes our guide to Zoho Books certification. Good luck with your studies. This credential is about more than just a certificate. It's about expanding your career opportunities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask questions in the comments.